It's starting to drizzle again today. I was looking at the birds. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about doing sit-ups. That's what I'm thinking in my head about. I just started eating boiled eggs this morning. First morning, because I kept forgetting them. I'm gonna wait a few mornings, depending on how I feel. I'll do you know what I do, at least 100 sit-ups. Anything above that is extra. And I've done 200, 300 sit-ups while smoking my cigar. Bitch. What the fuck? Big old gorilla. What the fuck? Monkey ass. Never mind my rant. The skies are pretty. I like it.